Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Stories for Beginners. Do you want to speak English more naturally in everyday life? On this channel, stories become your teacher, and we practice with the shadowing technique. Listen carefully, then repeat after me, just like my shadow. Copy my voice, my speed, and my feeling. This trains your brain to think in English rather than translating. Today's story is called Moving to Austin, Texas. It follows one exciting moving day, unpacking, arranging rooms, getting directions from the airport, and exploring our new neighborhood in the U.S. You'll practice clear, useful sentences for furniture, home layout, and local places. Relax, listen closely, and repeat each line with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Keys, boxes, and the entryway.
We are finally moving into our own house in Austin, Texas. We saved money for years, and now it has paid off. Our old apartment was small, and things broke often. This house is brand new, and I feel excited. We carry boxers into the entryway and take a deep breath. Does the coat rack look good here? Yes, it's perfect by the door. Please help me hang this mirror above the shoe rack. Here are the hammer and the nails. I'll be careful with the drywall. We place a small sofa opposite the window and a coffee table in front.
Kitchen and dining. Put it where it works.
We bring the two stools to the kitchen island. They match the white cabinets and the pendant lights. We put the dining table and 6 chairs under the chandelier. Where should the cabinet go? On the left of the table, near the wall, we store china and serving plates inside. A plant sits on top of the cabinet. A vase goes on the table. 2 pictures go on the wall. The curtains soften the space and make it cozy.
Living room layout, 1 rug, 1 plan.
We roll a rug into the center of the room. The sofa goes near the middle. Do not push it against the wall. Why not? We can place a slim shelf behind the sofa for books and glasses. 2 chairs face the sofa. The coffee table sits between them. We hang a piece of art above the sofa. A floor lamp stands behind the chair. The TV goes on the wall opposite the sofa, with decor on the console.
Directions to the house, from the airport to our door.
How do I get to your house from Austin Bergstrom International Airport? Take Cap Metro Route 20 into downtown. It runs from the airport to the city center. From downtown, head north on I-35 for about 15 minutes. Turn left at the first traffic light for our neighborhood. Go past the coffee shop on the corner. Our house is the 3rd on the right. It's light gray with a dark blue roof. It has 2 floors, a front porch, and a garage. No, it doesn't have a balcony. Yes, there is furniture already. I'll meet you by the front gate.
Inside, tours, floors, and rooms.
On the first floor, there is a wide hallway and a guest bathroom. There is a large kitchen, a dining room, and a living room. The kitchen has a pantry with cupboards and shelving on both sides. The second floor has 3 spacious bedrooms with big closets and bathrooms. There is also a flex room downstairs with a small kitchenette, 2 armchairs, a coffee table, and a TV make that room cozy. The garage connects to the house near the laundry area. We plan to add a fire pit and chairs in the backyard. Tomorrow, we will set up the grill on the patio. We can't wait to have a barbecue with friends.
My room, quiet, light, and simple order.
My bedroom is at the end of the upstairs hallway. It is larger than my old room and very quiet. My bed is in the corner with a bedside table next to it. On the table, there is a lamp. Next to the table, there is a bookcase. A shelf holds books, and a clock hangs above the bed. A desk sits in front of the window. On the desk, there is a laptop, a lamp, and a pen holder. A green chair is in front of the desk. I like to sit and watch people on the street. The walls are cream. An orange curtain hangs on the window. 2 rugs add color, blue-green near the desk and blue-cream near the bed. I do homework here, play games, and listen to music. A classical guitar hangs on the wall. There is a dresser behind the bed, near the window. A poster hangs above the dresser. A TV stands opposite the bed with pictures on either side. A small table is in front of the TV. I also have an attached bathroom and a walk-in closet.
Our U.S. neighborhood, safe, friendly, and very Austin.
We moved from a city center to a quiet Austin suburb. Now we have more space and calm streets. The houses have lawns, trees, and wide sidewalks. The neighborhood is safe and the community is welcoming. Local officers patrol regularly and response time is good. Roads are smooth and traffic is light outside, rush hours. 2 schools are close by. There are thrift stores and high-end stores. We have Tex-Mex barbecue, Italian, and Thai restaurants. There are grocery stores, salons, pharmacies, and a library. On some October weekends, Zilker Park is full of music at the city's big festival. On Sundays, the Mueller Farmers Market opens late morning to early afternoon with local produce. At Barton Springs Pool, the water stays cool all year, perfect for a quick swim. On South Congress, many people take photos at the green I Love You So Much mural. For famous brisket, people line up early at Franklin Barbecue before it sells out.
What I write in my moving notebook.
Unpack room by room. Finish small areas first. Measure before drilling. Protect drywall and studs. Keep walkways clear. Place rugs to prevent slips. Float the sofa off the wall. Balance with a lamp. Share simple directions from the airport. and a clear landmark. List nearby schools, parks, shops, and clinics. Keep receipts, warranties, and a floor plan sketch. Invite friends when the patio and grill are ready.
Useful lines, practice, and use.
Please hold the mirror while I mark the nail. Let's place the table under the chandelier, float the sofa. Don't push it against the wall. From the airport, take Route 20 into downtown. My room has a desk by the window and a walk-in closet. The park, the pool, and the farmer's market are all nearby.
Great job! You listened, repeated, and shadowed with me today. Every sentence you spoke made your English and your home skills stronger. Moving to Austin, Texas reminds us that clear steps make any big change simple. It is one plan, one careful placement, and one friendly neighborhood that shapes a happy home. Simple English can help you arrange furniture, give directions, and describe your life with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to English Stories for Beginners for more shadowing practice. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new story. Remember, plan, place, enjoy. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video.